Welcome to 634 Franklin Blvd. This perfect location is close to shopping, schools, parks, public transit, and very quick Highway 401 access. This property works well as a two-family home. The main level has a bright living room, an open kitchen and dining room, and a cozy sunroom that's the perfect place for enjoying your morning coffee. 2 good-sized bedrooms, and a fully renovated bathroom are also found on this level. Upstairs, you'll find a loft space with a 3rd bedroom. The lower level has a separate entrance with its own private driveway and detached garage, a very rare find. The separate entrance leads to a spacious 2-bedroom apartment. A large open kitchen overlooks the spacious living area, and 2 good-sized bedrooms complete this space. Furnace, air conditioning, and roof have all been newly installed in the last 2 years. There is also a private outdoor space for the lower level apartment. A second driveway is found at the rear of the property that offers additional parking, as well as a huge 4-car garage or workshop. Don't miss out on this rare opportunity to buy such a unique property.